गेल्या 9 दिवसांपासून संपावर गेलेल्या जीवरक्षकांचं आंदोलन निरर्थक असल्याचा दावा दृष्टी कंपनीच्या अधिकाऱ्यांनी गुरुवारी पत्रकार परिषदेत केलाय। मुलाखतीवेळी ठरल्याप्रमाणे कंपनीनं जीवरक्षकांना पगार आणि सुविधा देत आहेत, तरी देखील कोणीतरी त्यांना भडकावून आंदोलन करण्यास भाग पडत आहे। या कुटील प्रकाराला बळी न पडता संपावर गेलेल्या जीवरक्षकांनी त्वरित कामावर यावं, अन्यथा नव्या जीवरक्षकांची भरती केली जाईल असा गंभीर इशारा दृष्टीचे संचालक अंकित सुमानी यांनी दिलाय।
This strike is only benefiting those union leaders because they collect subscription from the lifeguards. So in order to increase their earnings, they are misleading our lifeguards to say that we will get you a job, a permanent government job, we will get you 21,000 rupees salary if you all strike. So this misrepresentation and misguidance of our boys is the core issue. So our focus has been on safety and security of the tourists, and our focus has been on talking to our lifeguards, making sure they understand that they need to come back to work. The focus of ours should be lifeguarding and not not blackmailing and coercing the public at large into unreasonable demand.
First demand is reinstatement of 17 people, on which our stand has been made very clear that they never are employees. So reinstatement cannot be possible. Correct? The second demand is, we have said no comments.
Sorry to interrupt, but effectively on that 17 boys, they are forcing us to employ them. We cannot be forced to employ someone who's got a history of drinking on duty. Now, I mean, you all tell me, do you want a lifeguard who has a history of drinking on duty? I mean, as a tourist, as a management, we definitely don't. So this is the employment history. Therefore, we have chosen not to employ these people. We have not wrongfully terminated anybody.
Alcohol.
Alcohol, insubordination, leaving duty in the middle of duty. These are the type of issues. So it's wherever it's operationally going to hurt the tourists is where we have taken this decision. And the selection committee for our employment has a member of the government sitting on it. We have a very strong selection process. It's very well documented. And all of this is in front of the Labour Tribunal, the Industrial Tribunal.
दरम्यान जीवरक्षकांचा लढा दृष्टी कंपनीशी नाही, तो सरकारशी आहे। त्यामुळे मागण्या मान्य होईपर्यंत हा लढा दिला जाईल असा इशारा आंदोलनाचे नेते क्रिस्टोफर फॉन्सेका यांनी दिलाय।
Whatever they are saying is incorrect because I do not want to use harsh words. Finally, we have to live in a certain atmosphere where there is cordiality. The government of Goa is eminently responsible. If the Drishti wants to wash its hands off, we have no problem because the agreement is not signed with Drishti. We have signed it with the government of Goa, the tourism minister, the labour minister, and I think it's high time they take interest. Our AITUC organization has decided that in the coming days the struggle will willy-nilly get intensified. And intensified means in so many ways.